Hey, good morning, Miss Sharon. Private sector hiring falls short. Expectation. Kind of bearish news, right? Yeah, let's see. Let me see how US30 looks. Yeah, US30 has a nice trend. Looks like US30 will probably be a sell out to open. We have a Kangaroo developing. Sharon, you said don't close your losing position day if it goes against you. Move TP to break even. And then try to throw a hedge on. Well, US30 is quite choppy on the hourly though. Yep, good morning, Ganja. Hey, good morning, Corey. Child tax credit, which sent up to $1,800, per child per month to about 36 million families. Does that mean they were given $1,800 per kid? So basically, giving more free money out. I guess that's bad news for dollar, right? How you gotta give 1,800 to 36 million people per month. Per month. Like, come on, what is that shit? I'm looking to get this desk while this ad is showing up. I cleared out an extra room, so I might finally actually have a real streaming room very soon. It's in development. But this desk is freaking $1,300. Probably worth it. It's one of those stand-up ones where you can raise it if you want. I guess that's the only big news of the day. Check some Bloomberg. US companies out of fewer jobs. I think it's gonna spike up initially. But head on down. But I got up this morning. First thing I did was check the hourly, and I consider this M movement. Kind of a mixed open. Anybody ready to flip a coin? I just gotta be careful about my stop hunt, because I did put a stop loss. Gotta be careful with that stop hunt. How much am I? I'm gonna move a stop a little bit. I don't want to get stop hunted. That's what it's doing right now. Make a line here at the open. I'm not gonna get mad today if I lose a couple $100. Monday I got really frustrated. But we do got the open right here. Let's mark this up. 5. Gotta get on the 1 minute. Here, 15,632 is the open. I think this will be a this will be the same scenario we see over and over. Spike up, retest down for the open. Where was yesterday's high? $10 yesterday. There's no divergence too, so that's telling me it's gonna keep going up. Kangaroo Tail trying to form. Not a very good one though. This could be the retest now down. I think momentum is slowing down. What happened? It froze. There we go. Probably the point to sell. I'm gonna add on a smaller position. What the hell is wrong? My shit keeps freezing. I can't click my other screen. If it clears this high, I'm exiting both positions. Well, that's good news if there's some red folder news, entry wizards. My original analysis was, of course, bearish on an hourly M. That was before the open. We do got another Kangaroo Tail right here too. Open price is down here, 15,630. We need a red candle right now. I think I need to make a video showing all of my emotional breakdowns when I've gotten pissed off. I think it'd be good to show everybody that in a montage. Not just see on YouTube win. Show some realities. I'm giving up on the sell if it clears this high though. Well, we got another kangaroo about to print. Stays like that. 15 more seconds. But now I'm starting to see like a bullish kind of flag develop. It keeps going sideways. Did US30 shoot down right at the open? Yeah. Where was that open at? William Don, did you verify your account with him yet? I'm closing both these positions in a minute. If this high gets, yeah, I'm out. One more tick up. So I think the verdict is up though. The open retests only work with divergence. And we're still bullish. Unfortunately. Unfortunately. Morning, Bob. Yeah, I'm still using N1CM, William. Still I think I'm pretty pissed off about Ingot. I was making good money with Ingot. Good. I don't have a job. My job is to make YouTube videos. So imagine how much money I lost having 2,400 people build it up over a fucking year and a half. I'm very, very fucking annoyed. I lost about $3,000 or $4,000 monthly. That shit paid for all my fucking bills. Oh, the YouTube affiliate game, yo. It's funny how a company can just fucking take people out under you like that after you basically built them up. So if you did trade under any of my affiliate links, I did appreciate it. N1CM, I made $3 last week. Well, I mean, US30 has a pretty nice trend. I think I had to give up that sell too because Nasdaq just made a new all-time high. Nasdaq just made a new high. I mean, the only thing wrong with the N1CM is the spread on US30. Besides that, I mean, it's typical for all the brokers to just accept Bitcoin. Visa and MasterCard usually get shut down quite quickly because USA banks don't like it. So, in like credit card statements, if you deposit broker, it's a Visa. It's not going to say the broker's name. It might say some like random T-shirt shop in Africa or something. I wonder why it made a new all-time high. I mean, there was bad news today. There was no good news. That don't make sense. Does anybody know why Nasdaq just shot up? Like, when is the bull run gonna end? How does anybody predict this buy like that? Well, there was a Kangaroo Tail right here. I guess that was the Kangaroo Tail. Insider trading. Like, there was bad news today. I did put a buy-in on that small Grand Capital account. At least I'm catching a little bit of it if it keeps going. But it's only $25 profit. Big whoop. Big whoop. $25. I'm gonna look at some other things right now. Maybe some USD CAD.
Positive vibes, let's go. I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired. Yep. Even worse, I'm sick and tired of barely getting by. Yep. You wanna know the truth? Keep this between us. Yeah, I got a job, but I'm only making peanuts. My bank account is so my pocket's kinda thin. I ain't these a Khaled every now and then I win. But tonight I'm about to be undefeated. Just got off of work and I could barely believe it. Call the weed man cause he know just what I'm needing. 5 o'clock traffic jam, oh I'm trying to beat it. Didn't quite happen, no bumper to bumper. Road rage people leaning heavy on they hunkers. I'm just trying to make it home, this day has been bunkers. I usually get drunk, but tonight I'm getting drunker. Called my friends and I explained the whole story, and this is what they told me. All to throw a party tonight. Hey. It's been a really long day for me. I should be living my life. Hey. Because time won't wait for me. All to throw a party tonight. Hey. Me and my friends will get wasted. And I'll be happy that I made it. Yeah, to the end of the day. That's right. So I guess I throw a party tonight. Hey. Party, 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 let's all get wasted. Hey. Party, 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 let's all get wasted. My home.
See, that's a problem. I don't even know what the ISM Purchasing Managers Index is. I guess it's time to learn what it is right now. ISM News. Is there like some kind of speech going to go on right now? ISM Manufacturing PMI. So is that the reason it went up? People are anticipating it's good news. Is there like a speech? I think we just buy now, honestly. Put the FOMO buy in. Yeah, living in Utah. I did like a 5-minute video. Let me see where to post the link here. It wasn't like a super detailed review video, but I did do a little bit on it. Guys, I have to get off stream here at about 7, not 20. My son had a lot of dental work yesterday. He was sedated, so gotta help him with some things in about 20 minutes. If anybody did not know, I do have an 8-year-old son. I don't share too many personal things online and stuff like that, but mainly when I go on stream, I'm all trading, all business. But I haven't shared my family life too much. Alright guys, is there bad news now? That's interesting. Three minutes. I'm trying to click. My computer's having some issues right now. Wow. This is where I close my trade out. Part of my gut wants to put in a FOMO sell right now. 2 minutes to the news. It would be very, very risky. Question is, do I do something? Do I try something out of the ordinary? Being uncomfortable makes you more comfortable, right? Because before market there was already bad news. So I'm assuming if logic makes sense, there's going to be more bad news. You put a bigger sell in than normal. My gut is telling me to put the sell in right now. If there's any drawdown, just close it. If there's any profit, just close it, because I'll be in a little bit bigger position. Got news in about 10 seconds. News in 10 seconds, but my computer's messed up. I can't click anything outside of MT4. Trying to click my... Someone asked me this. When there's a red folder for news like this, does news just come out in text? Or is someone having a speech somewhere? Like, is the same news going on right now like when Powell speaks? Gotcha, report. Yo, did anybody clip that? Did anybody clip my blow up on Monday? We need to have somebody here on Twitch just get a clip shit right away. Who wants to be a clip Twitch volunteer? There was bearish divergence that was just made too. Not bearish, bullish. Bullish divergence. Yeah, let me check it, iBob. Well, I'm trying to click my other screen and it's not letting me click anything. Probably because I haven't dusted out my computer in a year and a half since I built it. I think it needs a good dusting today. I'll be able to check that out in a minute. It's like my whole left side screen is just completely frozen. Alright. See what you got here, iBob. I like that. Right there on the screen. Very simple indicator, but pretty good to just have right there on the glance. What are all these numbers you have right here, iBob? What is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12? Oh, your time. I gotta get off here in about 15 minutes, guys. Alright, so we got an interesting scenario. We have a trendline touch with bullish divergence with news. See, looking at this at a glance, it looks like a clear buy. But that's a very strong red candle on that trend line. Looks like a buy, but I think that trend line will break. But I do think it would be stupid for me to try to sell on this divergence also. Price has been pretty choppy. Well, not choppy, it's just been in the same area. Whole little box. So to me, I think there's mixed signals. Buy signals, but you got bad news. But you got a kangaroo now that just printed. I think it's going to sell to the open. We can't forget about this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on, hold on. I see an M, maybe. Uh-oh, I think it is a sell right now to the Alright guys, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a sell in. If there's drawdown above the candle, I'm closing it. Kind of a tweezerish now. Alright guys, we are up $1 on that buy hedge I did earlier. I think it's gonna push back up here. Told myself I'm not gonna let any losses phase me. Every once in a while though, I do need to have an emotional blow up. Get the steam out. I think we could see a retest up here. Fuck. Whew, my whole account went red right there. Too much margin on 0.6. Guys, we almost lost the whole fucking $1,900 right there. Oh shit. I did not realize my margin was over right there. Holy shit, guys. We just made the most noob move in the whole world. We almost blew $1,900 on accident while only trying to risk 30 or 40. Woo! Ooh. Trading gods. Trading gods are on my side. Well, I think we are supposed to sell the head and shoulder, but I didn't notice one. Is that a head and shoulders? I mean, I see more of an M. I see more of an M. You see a W, huh? So I think there's a lot of mixed signals here. I think we can see an M. I think you can see our head and shoulders. I think you can see a W also. Alright guys, I gotta hop off in about 5 minutes. Could be a W, could be an M. Let's just say it could be a buy, it could be a sell. Yeah, I feel very, very under budgeted with just $1,800 account. I think the biggest thing I learned this morning is stop trying to look for the sell retest at the open if there is no divergence on the force index. And it's probably about the, at least the 100th time I try to do a trade like this. So many times this pattern is just embedded in my head now. Which tells me, okay, if there's no divergence, the odds are it's probably going to keep going up and not retest. Like, we'll go back and look at. Was that on open? let's see, when was this? This was August 16th. Like I closed that trade way too earlier. Yeah, look at that. Well, I had a TP way down here on this trade at the open. Look, it looks like I closed out before it even hit. Wow. I gotta let those bigger TPs hit. That would have been a $400 or $500 trade. Okay guys, I gotta hop off now. I got to hop off. For a little hour stream. I was supposed to do a A1 trading stream today too, but I could not get that done. You have a good one too, family. As you guys can tell, I'm a lot calmer today compared to my emotional outburst on Monday. It's only losses. We live to trade another day. I don't want to end up having a freaking heart attack on stream one day. Burn with Todd is not going to become the first person that trades live that has a heart attack. We ain't doing that. We're keeping it chill. Alright, y'all have a good one. Get back to it tomorrow morning. Hopefully I can nail it again. I did take about a $180 loss today, but I'm not mad about it. Yep, that's a good way to look at it, C-Jack. You can learn from success and also the mistakes.